Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a beginner's tutorial on CapCut for PC. To download the CapCut app, you just need to go to the website and click the download button. Now let's create a new project. This will take you straight to your workspace. Here is a quick look at the workspace. The timeline is down here, the media import panel is on the top left, and the preview player is right next to it. Editing tools are placed on both sides. Now let's hit modify and name our project. Here's how to import videos into CapCut. Either click import and pick your file or just drag it in from the desktop. And if you don't need a clip anymore, simply delete it from the panel. To add your video, just click the plus button or drag it in. Right above the timeline, you'll see some important tools. The magnet tool makes clips snap together automatically so you don't leave any empty spaces. Auto snapping works similarly. It helps align your clips more precisely as you move them around. You can also zoom in and out of the timeline using the slider. To trim your footage, drag the edges until you get the moment you want, or use the delete left and delete right to cut sections quickly. With the split tool, you can slice your clip right at the playhead position. When you click on a clip in the timeline, you'll see a range of editing options for that clip. You can resize it, rotate it, or scale it up and down. The ratio tab lets you change the aspect ratio, perfect if you're editing for phones, screens, or social media. Under audio, you can control the volume and check the levels by looking at the white bars on the clip itself. In speed, you can slow footage down or speed it up. And with the animation, you can add in and out transitions to make your cuts feel smoother and less abrupt. In the Adjust tab, you can tweak the color correction of your video. For example, make the tones cooler or darker or boost the contrast. To compare your changes with the original, simply click on Adjust and it will show you the unedited version. This step is important since cameras often make footage look flat or washed out. For assignments like PSA, you will often use the audio recording tool. Just click the microphone icon, record your voice, and once you're done, the track will automatically show up on your timeline. To add text to your video, select text from the left toolbar and insert a default text box. From there, you can fully customize it, change the font, color, size, and even the opacity. You can also control exactly when your text shows up and fades out on the timeline. Besides text, you can spice up your video with stickers, sound effects, filters, and transitions. Just keep in mind, if you're on the free version of CapCut, always check whether an element is marked as Pro before using it. Here's a simple trick for adding music to your project. Because the extract audio from the video option isn't free, what I do is screen record the song I want, place it on the timeline, and then hide the video layer. That way only the audio plays while the visuals stay hidden. Let's go over how to use keyframes. For example, I want this image to slide from left to right. To do that, I place 2 keyframes on the timeline where I want the motion to occur, and at each one I set the starting and ending position of the picture. If you'd like to take it further, you can even edit the motion curve to control how smoothly the movement plays out. The final step is to export your project. Just hit export, wait for it to finish, and then click open folder to find your file. And that's it, you've officially learned the basics of CapCut.